intestines, chicken feet. So what you do is you choose your fish, and they take it back and kill it for you, and cut it up and wrap it up, and you've got dinner. Hello everybody, and good morning from China. I'm currently in Kunming, the capital of Yunnan province in southern China, where I've been living for the last 9 months. But this weekend I'm hanging out downtown and I needed to do some shopping. So I was gonna head to Walmart, and I figured I'd show you guys what it looks like inside a Chinese Walmart. A lot of people in the West, more specifically in the US, think that China's a communist country, which it's not exactly. The main government in power is the Communist Party. There's some communist characteristics to the country, but for the most part it's capitalist. As you can see, there's all these little shops. They're all privately owned. People go out shopping, spending money, buying clothes, cell phones, just like we do in the West. So it's pretty capitalist to me. But my point is, there's a lot of Western things, Western brands you can get here. A lot of big Western chains like Walmart, McDonald's, Burger King, Starbucks, things like that. And they're a little bit different from what we're used to in the West. And these jackhammers over here are really loud, and I doubt you can hear me. So I'll see you in a minute. And I'm back. Sorry about that. China can be pretty loud at times, whether it's just people or traffic or construction, which is always going on. But as I was saying, a lot of Western brands in China that you can get, a lot of big name brand stores, and they're a little bit different. They can be a little bit different than what you're used to in the West. Specifically this Walmart that we're going to go into. Hoping I can film in there. Most places in China, most businesses don't mind you filming, but some of the bigger Western brands, they don't like it too much. I've tried filming in a McDonald's, they wouldn't go for it. I tried filming in a Carrefour, which is like a French version of Walmart, which is popular here in China. They weren't going for it. They told me to get out of there. So I'll try and be discreet, and maybe I won't talk so much. But here we are, Walmart in China, along with KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, one of the most popular Western fast food joints here in China. So here we go. Looking at the prices here, the Chinese renminbi, the Chinese yuan or renminbi is roughly 7 renminbi per US dollar, so you can get a reference for the prices. Chinese really like this pay by the weight kind of thing, like the bulk buying kind of thing. intestines. Chicken feet. It's like pork. Seafood. A lot of good seafood in China. Squid. I love squid. And these are not pets. It's a sturgeon. It's like a little halibut. So what you do is you choose your fish, and they take it back and kill it for you, and cut it up and wrap it up, and you've got dinner. Little shrimps. So dairy is not a huge thing in China. You get a lot of this like sweetened yogurt kind of stuff, but actual real milk that you're used to is kind of hard to find, and as well as cheese. We're in a Walmart and you're not going to find any cheese in this entire Walmart. Some sweet yogurt, maybe some milk, but no cheese at all. The only cheese I've really seen in a supermarket was like that processed cheese, like Kraft Singles kind of things. Here's the Western food section. They have one wall of Western food. Nature Valley, muesli, some spaghetti sauce, nabati, Smuckers, Jif, 42 for this little thing, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, so $6 US for a little thing of peanut butter, which is pretty steep. My section. This Walmart brand beer. Great Value brand beer. Nice. Corona. Oh yeah. Great Value beer. Interesting. Let's see what kind of Western alcohol we got over here. Old Milwaukee. Budweiser. Qingdao, it's Chinese. Rio. Shoya, it's pretty good plum wine. Not sure if it's Chinese or not. Budweiser, Harbin, that's a good Chinese one. Carlsberg, ugh, no thank you. Heineken. Dali, that's my favorite. That's from Yunnan province where I'm at. I might have to try this Walmart brand beer, Great Value brand. Let's see. Corona, Hogarten. Never tried that deli. I usually get this one over here. Interesting. Ah, Tuborg. That's one of my favorites too. It's from Denmark, I believe. Wine and hard alcohol are pretty expensive because most of it's imported. But a lot of brands like Budweiser and Corona, they have factories here in China, so it's not as expensive. Baijiu, Jinzhou, have this sometimes. It's like a Chinese medicinal alcohol. Baijiu, this stuff's terrible. It's like turpentine. It's like 45% alcohol. Let's look at this. So let's see, that's 30 kwai, 740, 28. That's $4 US for 4 liters, and it's 60% alcohol. Oh, here's Walmart brand Baijiu. 5 liters. So for like $4 US, you can get over a gallon of 60% alcohol. So if you like to drink or if you're an alcoholic, can do it cheap in China. Huge selection of rice cookers. Ah, more rice cookers. Hot plates, rice cookers, blenders, hot plates. Microwaves aren't too popular in China. Most people, they cook their meals fresh, and refrigerators aren't all that common either. Your normal Chinese family or person, they'll water purifiers or a water dispensing system. Yeah, the normal personal family in China, they normally buy their food fresh at the market every day and prepare it fresh. They don't eat a lot of processed foods or canned foods, things like that. And they don't have like a giant refrigerator full of food that sits there for months like we have in the US. Stuff that's been prepared in a factory and frozen for months, and then we keep it in our fridge frozen for months. Nice. Ah, I found cheese. Goat cheese. Goat cheese in China is pretty good, actually. That's it, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed Walmart in China, and I'll see you next time. Phones.